Is your immunity low? If you are always down with the flu or feeling tired, your immunity is probably low. That means your defense system is weak, and when that happens, viruses and bacteria can harm your immune system. If that's your case, today's video was made for you. To strengthen the immune system, prevent diseases, and help the body recover, you need to eat foods full of vitamins and minerals. Another necessary thing is to reduce your consumption of fatty, sugary, and industrialized foods, full of preservatives and colorings. It is important to consume omega-3, selenium, zinc, probiotics, vitamins A, C, and E. They all help produce defense cells to boost the immune system. See some foods with excellent properties that can help boost your immune system. Spirulina. It is a type of algae used as a nutritional supplement, thanks to its many compounds that have immunostimulant and antioxidant properties, such as inulin, chlorophyll, and phycocyanin, which help improve the immune system by stimulating the production of defense cells, besides having anti-inflammatory properties. You can find this supplement in capsules or as a powder, which can be added to juices and smoothies. Strawberry. It is rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen the natural defenses of the body. The vitamin increases the production of cells in the immune system and the resistance to infections. Some studies suggest that vitamin C is an important nutrient to prevent respiratory and systemic infections. The recommendation is to consume 100 to 200 milligrams of vitamin C a day to prevent diseases. Other foods rich in vitamin C are broccoli, acerola, orange, and kiwi. Flaxseed. Regular consumption of flaxseed as seed or oil boosts the body's defense since it is rich in omega-3, lignans, and fibers that activate and stimulate the immune system cells, playing an anti-inflammatory function. Flaxseed can be used to make cakes, breads, or be added to smoothies, juices, salads, and yogurts. Sunflower seeds, rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. It helps protect the cells against toxic substances, radiation, and free radicals. These seeds are rich in zinc, a mineral essential for the proper functioning of the immune system. Turmeric. This root contains a compound called curcumin, which acts as an antioxidant and protects cells from the damage caused by free radicals. We talk about it a lot on our channel, and if you want to learn more about it, click on the suggested video. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Ginger. This root is from the same family as turmeric, and we also talk a lot about it on the channel. Watch the suggested video if you want to learn more. Ginger has antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties that prevent bacterial, fungal, and viral infections. It also hinders the development of chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular diseases. Dried fruits. Almonds, peanuts, Brazil nuts, or cashew nuts are rich in zinc, which acts in the repair of tissues and healing wounds. Zinc plays a role in the development and activation of T cells, crucial for the immune system. Sweet potato. Rich in vitamins A, C, and other antioxidant compounds that help develop and strengthen the immune system. According to many studies, vitamin A has a therapeutic effect on treating many infectious diseases. So it is important to add foods rich in this vitamin to your diet. So, did you like learning which foods can improve your immunity? Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is one of the best strategies to keep your natural defense system strong and efficient. Eat healthy foods. Practice physical activities regularly. Maintain a healthy weight. Sleep 7 to 8 hours a night. And avoid smoking, drinking alcohol, or stress. Do it and see how your body feels healthier and stronger. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.